Hey everybody, we're back. I know it's been a while, what, a couple weeks?
Couple months.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Well, you know, Kathy refused to do any videos until I got new stuff in. And so I have been diligently trying to get new stuff in. It's hard with all of this shipping problems and supply problems that we're having, but we have a ton of new stuff that we're going to try to show. We're going to start it a little bit at a time. I don't want to bore you guys, but we're going to do them over the next couple days to show you all the new things that we've got in and new deals. And the first thing we want to start off with is, guess what's going on again? In progress, it started today, and it's going on until I decide to take it off. It's called the May Blowout Sale. We do these every quarter through our Fab Shop Symposium, and we have over 400 things in there. Fabrics, notions, kits. You name it, kits, everything but the kitchen sink. We should call it everything but the kitchen sink sale. But anyway, check it out. And what I want you to do is you're just going to click on the Fab Shop, the Blowout icon on the front, our homepage. And we'll set a link. We'll have a link to everything that we talk about today. But just click there and start shopping. It's set up by category. There's so much in there that it'll take you some time. And we've got our some shipping things all set up. And anyway, take a look at it and start shopping. You can pick up in the store. We probably should talk again about our store hours. Yes. So we are still a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday only for traffic in the store. It's because so we can get stuff done through the rest of the week, because it's just Kathy and I now. But also you can shop anytime, pick it up on Tuesdays. We're gonna bring back classes. That's the other reason we're closed, is because we can't do classes with just the two of us. So we're gonna be closed on Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And by the end of the month, we will have our classes online. And shall we talk about the first class we're going to do? Yeah. So we have been busy cutting, like little elves cutting. We've had an elf coming in and helping us. But we have started this new, I think you've seen these. We did these a few years back, called the Take 5 kits. This is everything is done for you, all cut out, except for and it includes everything for the quilt top. You can see these two cool quilts here. This is called Cherry Blossom Batiks. And the other one is called Ride On. But everything in one nice little kit, and you can literally take this home, sit down, and start sewing. And believe me, I've got these done in an afternoon, so they go together really quick. The kits include the binding and the borders. You got a 6-inch border and the binding, and on our website is a picture of just a simple layout that I did, and just a picture of the layout. And we're going to put pictures of the actual fabrics in each kit. This one is called Trade Winds, and they all finish 64 by 76. So that's a lap size quilt. And if you want to make a queen size quilt, buy 2. If you want to make a king size quilt, buy 3.
That's why we didn't put the pattern in.
Right, that's why we didn't put the pattern in it. The pattern, you need the pattern for the layout and all the other stuff. And what's really cool about the pattern is it's got other additional quilt sizes. So if you want to make other quilts in the future, all the way from a mini to a king size quilt, all the information's there. And it's called Take 5 pattern. It's $8, and the kits are $69.99. And we're going to show you just a few of our favorite ones. I think we've got about 15 or 20 now up there, and we're going to have more. So this is a great way if you're not sure about, if you want a quick get a quick gift, you can pick these up and start sewing.
I mean, like in 2 hours,
2.5
hours,
the blocks are all done.
Yeah, the blocks are all done.
So this one's called Trade Winds. It's a beautiful blue.
I like the Leah.
The Leah is a beautiful digital from Jason Yenter in the Beginning Fabrics. Did you see that real close? She's not real good at holding that up. But all the pictures will be on the kits.
Boho Beach
Batiks from Banyan Batiks. There
you
go.
Better?
Why don't you just get up front there and put them in there so they can just see. This one is a Leah Banyan Batiks. Beautiful red and black quilt, which is really, it's a beautiful quilt. This one is Jane Sassman's Nouveau And we have that in 2 different colorways. Where's the other colorway, Kathy? Is it not out there? We also have it in teal, and you'll see the pictures on the website. And that's a beautiful, fun Jane Sassman. That is called, what's that one called? Purple Macaroon. It's got these really cool paisley batik from Banyan Batiks, and it's also got this spoke. Show them, turn it around a minute so they can see the spoke. You might be able to see the spoke.
Yeah, I saw it on the back.
The print, it's got a metallic embellishment on there, which I love. The metallic embellishment. That's Purple Macaroon.
We did that one.
Oh, this is Valerie Wells Murmur. That's a beautiful quilt. Beautiful pattern. And this is Jennifer Sampoo's Shimmer. You can't get this fabric anywhere but here.
That's a nice male.
It is. It's a male, a nice masculine quilt. Jennifer Sampoo Shimmer, black and white. And this one has a beautiful, it's called Bluebell. And it has a blue metallic that's gorgeous. I've never seen a blue metallic, like that aqua blue metallic. This is a beautiful, like a real, just a soft, it's called Jasmine, take 5, and it is a nice, just kind of a calming one. And everybody loves Shimmer. This is Haiku, Shimmer's Haiku kit. Now remember, these are all $69.99, and it's got everything in the top, all the binding borders, and we will have fabric attached to each of these if you want to buy backings at the same time. And there is the Sugar and Spice from Corey Dantini. That's a great quilt for a young girl, little girl. It's called Girl Power. Has some of that. And this is the Leah. I think
that's just some of them.
Did you do this? Yeah, we did that one. We have more. We just haven't got them wrapped, but they're online. And so check them out. You're going to click at the top. It'll be Take 5 Quilts, and you'll see that and get the pattern to go with it. And that's $8. Anything else on there? Shall we put them on sale just for the day or two? Let's put them on sale. Since we're on a blowout sale, we'll go 15% off. I'll put them all up at 15% off if you want. So make sure you go shopping, and make sure you check out our blowout sale, because at the end of the week, it's all coming back off. So shop this week.
Yeah.
We're going to be busy shipping.
And
we're going to be busy shipping.
We're going to be putting more stuff on daily.
Yep. Things are going up daily, so check back early and often. And you can pick up in the store and come see us and look for our classes, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Why are you off camera? Get your butt over here. She still hasn't gotten her hair cut. I said, okay, I'll do videos when you get
my
your
hair cut.
You
right
did?
before we went to the Bahamas. It grows.
I guess that's when I got mine done too, so I didn't
you
complain.
need a new color.
I do need new color. I'm going gray. I think I'm going au naturel.
Oh, I did that.
Anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.